everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add a song on Instagram post. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply go ahead start our video. So for that, first of all, go ahead, tap on this Instagram app of yours, and here in this home section this kind of interface will appear. So if you would like to simply make a post, for that simply tap on this plus icon. Now go ahead, choose a picture. So let's say this is the picture, right? This is our post. We will tap on this next afterwards and we will simply confirm it, and then here in this section you will find this little music icon on top right. Go ahead, tap on it. You can search a music according you, or you can simply go ahead, choose a one. The song is also nice. And once you have chosen a part that you would like to add, simply tap on this done, and now tap on this next, and you can simply turn on OK for this. And now all you have to do is you can choose it to simply add a caption, tag people. Once you're done, simply tap on the share option. Once it's done, you will be able to see that post is here with this music with this icon. If you turn this on, you hear that song. You can also turn it off, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.